Hi guys, thanks for watching. In today's video, I wanted to start a new tag and I don't know what the protocol is for starting a tag, so I'm just gonna like wing it and hope I'm doing this right. But basically, I thought it would be so fun to do a cleaning routine completely focused on what I don't like to do, what I avoid, what I just really don't like to clean in my house, because hopefully this will motivate some of you guys if you have like a pile of clothes you've been avoiding, a messy storage closet, or whatever. Hopefully this will give you the motivation you need to take care of it. And I tag anyone and everyone that wants to film this video. If you film videos and you want to do it, I tag you. If there's someone else you watch and you want them to do it, let them know about it. And write in the comments what you guys avoid, because I just want to see how many of us have the same things. I respond to all my comments, so I will get back to you. And please give this a like if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you're new to join our fam. You also can hit the bell so you never miss an upload. And honestly, I've got a lot to do, so I'm just gonna jump in and get started.
Oh, here you are, face to face.
The first thing I'm doing in this video is folding the laundry as soon as I'm done straightening up these pillows. And I have to warn you guys, I know this is an extreme amount of laundry. Normally it's never this bad, but I knew I was going to film this video for like a week or two. I've been planning on it as soon as I had time. So it just kept piling up and piling up. And I really wish I was the kind of person that washed and folded laundry right away. But honestly, I'm just not. Hopefully one day I will be. But yeah, here's the extreme pile that I'm working with. And I'm just folding. I'm going to speed this up for you guys because obviously it is a lot of laundry. I did get all of it done, but let me know what the very first thing you guys are going to work on that you don't want to do, that hopefully I inspired you to do, because this, seriously, I would rather do almost anything than fold laundry, but I'm glad I got it done. And then in the next few clips, I heard my husband singing in the background and I thought it was pretty entertaining, so I tried to get it on camera for you guys. Sing it, babe. You can keep my regret. Okay. Reminding me I got these scars. Get your love. Reminding me.
When I go, I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention, so you were saying I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Sometimes I'll have my husband Chad help me fold laundry, but he typically will fold things and put them all in the same pile, like one thing after another when he folds, instead of splitting it up. So that's why sometimes I just like to do it on my own, because I can do all the separate piles. I know where everything's going, and then what you see behind me on the couch that's just kind of like thrown up there, that stuff is going to be hung up, so I don't fold that first. It's just a waste of time. And yeah, so I just fold things that are going to be put in drawers, and then I just have another pile of everything I'm going to hang up.
No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things.
And this is my favorite shirt to sleep in. We bought this at a vintage shop in London a few years ago, and I don't know why we bought it. I guess we just liked what it looked like, but it's super worn out now, so it's really soft. So yeah, I just sleep in it all the time. And basically everything that I'm folding right now is just like sweatshirts and t-shirts and leggings, socks, underwear, just like things that we wear on a daily basis. If there's anything that is like a nicer item, I typically will only wash that when I have time to wash and fold it straight away, since I don't want it laying in a pile for a week or two. I know that sounds so bad, but honestly, real life, sometimes they're just so busy. So yeah, if it's something that's really nice, I plan when I'm going to wash it so I can take care of it right away. But if it's just like a t-shirt or something I'm sleeping in, I'm not that concerned about putting it away and folding it like straight away. So now I have everything in the bedroom, and I'm just going to hang up everything that has to be hung and put away some things for Chad. And I use a black velvet hanger for everything. I also stick them on the left in my closet. Like as soon as I take something off of it, I stick it on the left. That way I know that I have it, because whenever I don't and I just put them back where I took something off of it, I can never find them. So that system has worked out for me so well. I always have a stack of hangers ready to go.
When you go blind, you say that I'm just wasting my time. You say you're too hard to handle and full of doubts. Say that I should give you up for someone better, but no, she's a roller coaster. Oh, she's a flame. I'm burning up.
So that empty spot on the bottom left is where all of my extra hangers go, and I'm using them all up today, as you can see, just because of the insane amount of laundry I had to fold. So I buy these at Costco. They almost always have a 30 pack for $10 or $11, and if they don't have them at Costco, I will buy them on Amazon, and they're very similarly priced on Amazon, but I just love having the same hangers for everything. So if you guys want them, I will link them below.
I ain't giving you up no more. Giving you up no. I ain't giving you up no. Love the way we are together. Like can't we always stay this way? And how I wanna build my whole world with you and no one else. And how our love will make us so much better.
And this is my husband's little closet. That's what we call it, because as you can see, it is very little. It just has one bar and then a few shelves in there, and it's kind of like an awkward place, as you can see. So I think eventually we're going to convert this into a shoe closet and just put a bunch of shelves in there on an angle. I feel like that is the perfect thing for it, just because it is so small. It's kind of like a pointless space, but he just keeps his work stuff in here, and like shirts and suits and pretty much anything that has to be hung up. And then there are shelves that he has sweatshirts on, and then the dresser on my right, it's a 6-drawer dresser. That's almost all of his stuff, just like his shirts, his short sleeve shirts and long sleeve and workout stuff, shorts, sweatpants, all of that stuff. So yeah, we have some plans for this eventually. We're not really in a rush for that, but it is kind of in an awkward spot. And then I'm just picking up everything off the floor, and now I'm going to put away everything I folded. So everything you see go in the 6-drawer dresser, that's all my husband's stuff, and everything that goes in the other one is mine.
Giving you up no. I ain't giving you up. I ain't never gonna give you up. Giving you up no. I ain't giving you up no. Giving you up no. I ain't giving you up. I get up and try. Giving you up no. I ain't giving you up. Get up and try. Giving you up no. I ain't giving you up no.
And now I'm going to clean up a sit-down video filming setup, and this is also something I put off very frequently. Sometimes I do put it away like straight away, but a lot of times I leave it for sometimes a few hours, sometimes a few days. It really depends, and it's just such a hassle since I have so many extension cords and lights, and I trip on the cords. I knocked one over while I was filming this video, and I shattered the light bulb, so I'm ordering a new one, which is a bummer. I'm really hoping it's just the light bulb and not like the electrical thing that's inside of it. I guess I will have to find out, but I store those in the guest room right now since they take up a lot of space. And shut the door. I used to store them in the closet in my office, but it's always like an obstacle course trying to fit them in there since they are shaped so differently. And now I'm wiping down the baseboards, and if you are someone that's been with me for a while, then you know I don't like to do this. I always put it off, and I'm just using a Swiffer wipe. It's like a duster wipe for floors, but it works so well on baseboards. I have tried so many methods since it's really hard to bend over like around the whole house. I feel like that makes me sound so out of shape, but honestly it's just the worst. Whenever I'm right down there though and I can see exactly what I'm doing, it always turns out so much better. So yeah, even though it's a hassle, this is how I do it. And of course I don't do it very often. I probably do this, I would say, like every 4 to 6 weeks.
Sip me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No.
That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and spending the time with me. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to join our fam. I'm just so happy to have each and every one of you guys. If you write a comment below, I will definitely get back to you. And I will see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye.